Is Google Family Link compatible with all iPhone models?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to answer a question many iPhone users have been asking. Is Google Family Link compatible with all iPhone models?
What is Google Family Link?
Before we delve into the specifics, let's first understand what Google Family Link is. Google Family Link is an application developed by Google that allows parents to manage their child's device use. This includes managing apps, setting screen time limits, and even locating their child's device.
Is Google Family Link compatible with all iPhone models?
Now let's answer the big question. Is Google Family Link compatible with all iPhone models? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the answer is yes for most iPhone models. Google Family Link is compatible with iPhones that can run iOS 9.0 or later, which includes models from the iPhone 4s and newer. However, it's always a good idea to check the app's latest requirements on the App Store, as Google can update the app's compatibility requirements over time.
How to use Google Family Link on an iPhone?
To use Google Family Link on an iPhone, you need to download the app from the App Store, sign in with your Google account, and follow the in-app instructions to connect your child's device. You can manage your child's device usage and apply parental controls straight from your iPhone. In conclusion, Google Family Link is a useful tool for parents to manage their child's device use. The compatibility with iPhone models depends on the ability to run iOS 9.0 or later. Remember to always check the App Store for the latest compatibility requirements. We hope this information helps you make the best use of Google Family Link with your iPhone. Thanks for watching.